Hello student. In the sequence of properties of acid, I would like to explain you the another properties of acid. Already I told you about the properties of acids, like they are sour in taste, they are having property, they can convert blue litmus into red, okay. They are good conductor of electricity because they produce electrolytes. So in the next property, I want to explain you about the reaction between acid and metals. Whenever any acid is reacting with any metal, always it is producing salts plus hydrogen gas. It is a more important characteristics. Whenever any acid is reacting with metal, it is producing salt, forming salt and producing hydrogen gas. If we will take any example, acid H2SO4 I am taking. In place of metal you can use, and you can take any kind of metal. I am taking example of copper. Okay, copper, when it is reacting with each other, it will replace to copper and you will get CuSO4 and hydrogen gas. Always equation should be balanced. Here you can see that equation is balanced, so there is no requirement to do balance this equation. So this is the most important property of acid. When it is reacting with metal, always it is producing hydrogen gas. How you can test this gas is hydrogen gas. When we are bringing burnt candle or blow candle, we can see that the candle flame will start to blow by sound, okay, by a sound. So that is the practical by which we can prove this gas is hydrogen gas. Second very important property, reaction of acid with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate also. Okay, in place of metal carbonate we can take metal hydrogen carbonate also. What reaction will take between both? Let me explain this. This is a very important equation, so you have to learn this in proper way, how metal carbonate is reacting with acid plus metal carbonate. Any metal carbonate you can use, okay. When they are reacting with each other, they are producing salt, CO2 gas and water, okay. By example I can show you. If I will take HCl acid and in place of metal carbonate I am taking Na2CO3, when they both are reacting with each other, you can observe this reaction properly. Salt, it means NaCl salt will form, NaCl plus carbon dioxide gas from here, because here carbonate compound is present. And I told you that carbonate compound, when it is reacting with acid, always it is releasing CO2 gas and H2O always will form. Equation should be always balanced, so you have to balance this equation by putting 2, then after this equation will be balanced. So you can see that when acid is, this is lime water, when this carbon dioxide gas passes through this lime water which is colorless, it is converting into calcium carbonate, and this lime water, colorless lime water, converting into milky white color solution due to formation of calcium carbonate. Again, if we will provide this carbon dioxide gas in the same solution CO2, again this in this same solution, okay, you can observe that the milky white color of that solution is getting disappearing due to formation of calcium bicarbonate plus H2O. Okay, this is the reaction. When acid is reacting with metal carbonate, always it is producing salt, carbon dioxide and water. Understood? How you can prove that this gas is carbon dioxide gas? By passing this gas into lime water. Okay, let me explain that how you will ensure about this, that this gas is carbon dioxide gas. When we are passing this gas into lime water, this is formula of lime water, okay, it will be colorless. When it is reacting with carbon dioxide gas, it is converting into this compound.